The heating system in the Dovra is water-based and is designed in such a way that hot water circulates around the motorhome as well as through the floor. We have underfloor heating across the entire surface you walk on. The advantage of having a water-based system is that you get an indoor climate that is completely different. You get a pleasant warmth, an even temperature, and you also get a quiet indoor environment. That's something we really appreciate. Here under the bed on the left-hand side is where our boiler is located. It's from Aldi and the model is 3030 Plus. And the Plus means that you have a continuous supply of hot water. In addition to that, it's a waterborne underfloor heating system with convectors around the motorhome. The convectors work just like radiators at home, so we heat up cool air, which becomes warm and then rises again from the walls. In this way, we get a motorhome with optimal heat distribution. Here we can see what I referred to as convectors. So that's where our hot water circulates, and in that way we get the heat. Cold air is drawn in behind the cabinets, gets heated in the convectors, and then the warm air rises behind our interior fittings, even up over the cabinets. In this way, we get a circulating heating system. We install this over as many meters as possible in the vehicle, in as many places as we can fit it, in all the cabinets, even around the driver's seat and the passenger seat. One advantage of how we've connected our heating system is that it goes through a heat exchanger. Just behind the driver's seat you find the exchanger mounted. With this exchanger, we can choose either to use our heater to preheat the engine, or, more commonly, the other way around. When driving the vehicle, you use the heat exchanger to utilize the engine's heat and then circulate it in the living area without needing to run the heater. The advantage of this is that you don't need to use the Aldi heater at all while driving. Instead, you use the engine's heat while driving, so the vehicle stays warm, and when you arrive and switch on the boiler, everything is already preheated.